Hey developers, ever feel like you're spending more time debugging than building? Cursor is here to change that. With its smart integrations, it's the coding assistant you never knew you needed. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 powerful features that make Cursor AI a game changer for programmers. Stick around to see how it can cut your coding time in half. Feature number 1, Smart Autocomplete. Imagine typing less and letting AI handle the rest. Cursor AI predicts your code as you type, offering intelligent suggestions based on the context of your project. Whether you're working in Python, Java, or any other language, Cursor AI adapts to your style, filling in code faster than your IDE ever could. Next up, code refactoring. Cursor doesn't just help you write code, it helps you improve it. With one click, you can refactor messy code into clean, optimized versions, making sure it runs efficiently without bugs. This means more time focusing on features and less time stuck in endless loops of bug fixing and optimization. And the third feature, Debugging Assistant. We all know debugging can be a nightmare. Cursor AI steps in by scanning your code for errors and suggesting fixes, so you don't waste hours chasing down bugs. It's like having a second pair of eyes on your code 24/7, catching things you might miss and saving you tons of time. So, there you have it. Smart autocomplete, code refactoring, and a debugging assistant, all in Cursor AI. Are you ready to code smarter, not harder? Transform the way you code and make your workflow faster and more efficient with Cursor AI. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever coded without it.